Ganesh Chaturthi is around the corner, and therefore I created this nighttime glam makeup look for this occasion. I have kept this look very simple. Even beginners can create this look. So if you want to know how we can achieve this look, then let's move ahead. I have already done my CTM routine, and now we are moving ahead with Swiss Beauty Moisturizing and Brightening Serum, which has an iridescent shift to it, and this gives a very subtle glow from within kind of look. Then I'm going to prime my face with Inside Cosmetics eyeshadow base primer. Have you guys watched my review on this? If not, then I shall link it in the description. Please don't forget to watch it. Then I'm going to use K-Beauty foundation, and all the product details will be linked in the description for your convenience. Using my Real Technique sponge, I will blend out the foundation into my skin very nicely. Also, if any one of you are interested to know about the foundation that I'm using today, I have already posted a review on this. Even that will be linked in the description. Next, I'm concealing my under eyes and the T-zone area with Swiss Beauty concealer. So that I will be placing under my eyes, bridge of the nose, cupid's bow, chin and the forehead area, and then I will blend it out with the same sponge. To set my under eye concealer in place, I'm using this banana shade from Wet n Wild contour palette. With this, I'm going to set the highlighted areas and my under eye area. This will help to maintain the longevity of the highlighted areas, and also it will stop creasing. Next, I'm taking the Nykaa compact powder, and with the help of the powder brush, I'm just setting the outer perimeters of my face. Time to bring back some warmth and dimension to my face. I'm going to use Balm Cosmetics Take Home the bronzer, and I will bronze the outer perimeters of my face like the cheekbones, the jawline, forehead. Also, I will use the same bronzer to contour my nose. Next, I'm using Maybelline Masterchrome highlighter to highlight the highest points of my face like the cheekbone area, bridge of the nose, cupid's bow, chin and little bit on the arch of my eyebrows. Blushing the apples of my cheeks using Wet n Wild's Mellow Wine blush, and this I'm placing it in an angle to give a lifted look. Also, I'll use it on the tip of my nose. For my eye look today, I'm using Galaxy Shine palette from Imagic. From that, taking that ginger shade and I'm running it across to my crease. Next, I'm taking that maple shade and I'm deepening my crease area. And with a clean blending brush, I will blend out the edges to make it look soft and diffuse. Taking that grape shade, I will run it on my crease area to further deepen it out. Then I'm cutting my crease with the help of the concealer. For my outer corners, I'm using this deeper brown shade and blending it out very seamlessly. Next, taking this shade Tipsy and I will place it all over my lid space, and with the help of the shade Grape, I will blend out the two shades. Then with the help of this sparkle shade, I will highlight my inner corner area. Indian look is really incomplete without an eyeliner, and hence I am using my Lakme Iconic eyeliner to create a nice winged liner. Next, I am using my Elle18 Kajal to line my upper and lower waterline, and then I will smoke it out with the shade Grape, which I had used earlier. After that, I will be taking a clean blending brush and blend out the edges of that shade. Using a black shade from any palette that you have, I will overline the wing liner and then I will smoke it out with a pencil brush to give a very edgy smoky effect. Wetting my sponge with the makeup setting spray, and this I will use it to dab the makeup in place, and this will help the longevity of my makeup. Curling my lashes to prep it for the mascara. For today's mascara, I am going to use Rimmel Day to Night mascara. From that, taking the volume side to coat my upper lashes, and then I will use the lens side to coat my lower lashes. Applied some falsies off camera. Lining my lip with Swiss Beauty lip liner and then filling it in with Faces Canada lip crayon, highlighting the brow bone area with the same shade that I had used earlier to highlight my inner tear duct area. Wishing you all a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. If you enjoyed today's video, please do like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon with my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.